Hey YouTube, it's Teajae Nashae and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already been here, hey girl. What's up y'all? So I just want to real quick just come and visit the channel. I have been so busy with so many projects. I feel like I haven't got a chance to just come like actually talk to y'all and just sit down since the cruise and everything else that I've had to do. I be just recording so much content, y'all, and I'm trying to get used to the whole vlogging thing, you know, so I just be kind of putting videos together, and you know, my editing, all of that stuff is new for me as far as YouTube goes. It's been a while, so bear with me y'all. I'm getting the content out there. I be getting so many requests and people that be asking like, when are you gonna drop this, when are you gonna drop that? And I'm just so grateful. Like, I'm grateful to be busy. I'm grateful to, you know, be able to make money off of my lifestyle. Like, this is everything I've ever asked God for. And I'm so grateful, and I don't take it for granted. So I just wanted to come on here and just real quick, just, you know, share some knowledge about, you know, just what I do. Like, people, I feel like, you know, a lot of people are new to my channel and they don't know what I do or, you know, where I'm from or who I am. So I'm like, let me just real quick, you know, throw a little 1-2 together. This won't be too long. I don't want to talk y'all ear off because I can talk for days, okay? But yeah, y'all, my name is Teajae Nashae. I'm born and raised Chicago, Illinois. And I do life insurance. I do any type of, when you want to transfer your money from one policy to another, that's my field. So I do life insurance. I also sell digital products. I also do a option and hair business as well, which is the hair that I currently have in. Y'all can follow me on Rich Girl Academy is my page, RICHGURL Academy. I'll make sure to put that down here so y'all can see. And y'all can follow me in my journey. Like, I started my pages from zero, ground zero. Like, I didn't have any followers on my pages. Everything was from zero. So that's on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all can follow me under that name, and I do post on there a lot. Like, I promote so much honestly, and I'm just finding my way in the digital world like a lot of us are. So I really appreciate y'all for supporting me and just tapping in and, you know, checking in with me and commenting on my videos and subscribing. I'm so grateful, and I just want to thank y'all so much for coming to visit my channel. Everybody's busy, they got life going on, kids, families, vacations. So for y'all to even stop and look at my video or show some love or some support, I'm very grateful for that. And I promise I will come support you back. Even if that ain't what you intended or you ain't put no content up, I'm still gonna come support, because that's just who I am, like, naturally, you know. I don't like to take and not give back. So yeah, it is Tuesday though, y'all. It's April 14th. It's 6:10 p.m. I just got done working, got a little bit dressed and wanted to film some content. So that's what I do, y'all. I do promote digital products on my pages, and I did come out with a video just talking about what digital products are, you know, how you can get involved. And when I first started my journey, which was a year ago, you can kind of see like when I launched it up until now how it's going. And y'all, literally, I promote an electronic vendor. I just wanted to tell y'all just a little bit about that. Not too much on it, not too heavy. I just wanted to tell y'all, you know, what opportunities are out there for y'all to make money online. But digital products is literally where it's at. I make sales in my sleep. I literally wake up to sales, all because I'm promoting trending products. So I love that I don't have to have any inventory. I don't have to have any physical products on hand to do this. I don't have to have a big following. Like I said, I started at zero with no followers and no people, and I just started promoting an electronic vendor literally 2 weeks ago. I promise you, I can literally put the date out when I first released my first video on it, and I've already made $600 just from sending a link to people's DMs for the product that they want that I'm promoting on my reel. So very easy, very simple to do. Like I said, I work 40+ hours a week. I'm extremely busy. I feel like I barely got time for myself, let alone to post a reel or be on social media. So I just came to just share this with my audience. A lot of people be asking me on social media, like, you know, how are you making sales? Like, how is this money just coming in? Like, they don't really understand it. A lot of people don't really know what digital products are or how they can get involved, or how they can make some money too. So I ain't come on here to be a preacher, teacher, but I did want to come on here and just give y'all a little game to it. Like, digital products is literally what it sounds like. It's a digital product, a digital file that you're promoting that people need, or they have a want for it, whatever that may be. You're solving a problem for somebody and they're paying you to do it, is essentially what it is. But it's a digital file that literally is sent to people's email, and it's very simple, very easy to do. So I just wanted to just come on here and just share a little bit about what I do, and how I've been able to travel and just live my life so free, and have money whenever I need it. Like, I don't have to wait for money anymore. If I really need money, I can just post a reel or post 2 reels, and my product is trending. People are looking for this, and I'm making money off of that. It's just that simple. They click the link that I send them and they buy the link from me. It's just that simple. So if y'all are interested in getting started in digital products, link my link in the description. That way y'all can click and go to my store and see how I have everything set up and how it works and how it looks, and just so y'all can get an idea and start thinking about creating your own store, your own link, to put out there and promote in your reels. Like, I highly recommend this for anybody. You don't have to have nothing to get started. Like, my electronic vendor, I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful, y'all. I literally bought the vendor 2 weeks ago, and I've already made my investment back. In the first 2 days, I made my investment back. That's how easy digital products really are. So if y'all, are confused about extra ways to make money from home, or side hustles, and how you can make a little bit of extra cash outside of your day-to-day life, we all could use some extra money. I don't care if it's $10, $15, $30. We all could use some extra cash to get us to the next level, especially nowadays. Gas prices up, grocery prices up. I mean, we just can't catch a break. So if y'all are interested in learning little side hustles and how to make money from home, and just kind of getting yourself out there, and just wanting to navigate this digital marketing world, and you feel like you need a guide or someone to get you there, I can definitely help with that as well. I actually do clarity calls, to be exact, and very, very simple, very easy to do. You just book your time slot on my calendar, and I'll do you an audit for your page or whichever page you want to promote on, and we'll go from there. We'll do us a call, we'll talk, I'll give you some pointers, and we'll go from that. So I don't want to say too much, talk too much. I know a lot of people are offering all these different things, but I just I could show you better than I can tell you. So I just want to show y'all how much I've made so far with digital products, and I just started a year ago. And I don't even post like 3-4 times a day. I post like 1 time a day, and I make this type of money. So this is outside of anything. Like, this is outside of everything. This is just me posting reels, how much I've made in the last year. So, and I just showed y'all how much I made with my electronic vendor by itself. So I'm not here to glow. I ain't here to toot my own horn, but I am here to just put my community on to better ways that they can make money and take care of their families, and be the next generation of people in our community that make it out, and that can help the next group become successful, and help the next family become successful. It's a process. It's very fun though. I enjoy it. I enjoy getting dressed, being myself, and posting my reels. It's what I do too. So it ain't that hard. But anyway, y'all, I didn't want to talk too much. I literally keep saying that, but I just want to come on here and just share my quick thoughts about digital products and just what I've been working on. And I've just been getting so many questions about what do I do, how do I do it, and just all of the process. If you are looking to learn more about digital products, you want to get into this, but you just don't know how, you feel stressed, you don't know what to start with, I'm really going to say this as a piece of free advice and a free gem. Start with what you already do every day. What do you like to do? Do you like to cook? Do you like to work out? Do you praise Jesus and you want to put that as a digital product? Whatever it is that you know how to do and you can teach somebody else how to do, that's exactly how you make money from digital products. Y'all, the proof is in the pudding. Make sure y'all follow my social pages. Rich Girl Academy is the only page that I'm constantly on daily, because I make sales from it. So I ditched all my personal pages because I wanted to start fresh with a brand new page, which was Rich Girl Academy, and show everybody that I can do this with a brand new page. Nobody knows me, and I can grow my audience, grow my followers, and become the next step to do it. So if you want to follow me on this journey and you want to get started, or you want to learn how you can take this serious and make this a part of a business that you can start, very easy, very simple to do. It don't require much. I'm telling y'all, it literally is the easiest thing. I wish I would have known about this decades ago. I would be rich right now. I'm talking like rich, y'all. Whew. Calm down. It's okay. You just love, when you just love what you do, you just be so passionate about talking about it, and just passionate to put people onto it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we don't know how much longer, you know, these opportunities are going to be around. You know, we don't know how much longer these opportunities are going to be around, or, you know, how much longer that this is going to be this easy to do with everything that's coming out, being released. It's a new year. It's a lot, you know. So I say get in where you fit in, and don't waste another day debating if digital products is the right side hustle for you. It is, and I can teach you, and I can help you. I can show you exactly how to do this step by step if you need the assistance. If not, you can feel free to keep watching me on the channel, y'all. Keep watching me on the social media pages and see how I run my digital products. And yeah, we gonna grow together, y'all. We gonna learn together. So a lot of people get overwhelmed, and that's okay. We all do, but don't get stuck and not proceed is what I will say. I'm just here to just drop a couple little gems, y'all. Just a quick little 1-2. I have been so busy with just everything going on in my life, and I'm like, I gotta check in with my girls. I gotta check in with my people and make sure that they know, you know, what's going on and what I'm doing, and you know why I just been busy. So but yeah, anyway, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. I cannot wait to continue this journey with y'all. We going up. It's 2026. Life has so much to offer. Life is beautiful. I welcome beautiful things into my life, and we gonna start there with the positive mindset and the positivity. If you're new here, once again, y'all, make sure you subscribe, and even if you've already been here, welcome back, girl. Make sure you share my video and comment if you care. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.